If you've been struggling to lose fat, these two methods of intermittent fasting might just be the game changer for you. Whether you are new to the concept of intermittent fasting or you've heard about it but you are not sure on how to start, this video will give you a clear understanding of what intermittent fasting is, the best methods, and why it is becoming so popular for fat loss.
This is Nutri Television, your professional source to everything nutrition.
There are different types of intermittent fasting, but these two I'm going to mention here are best and convenient for healthy fat loss for beginners. Emphasis on healthy fat loss because there are some methods to lose fat that are not healthy. So these two methods are the 16/8 method and the 5:2 method. Don't be confused, let me explain. The 16/8 method is one of the simplest and most popular forms of intermittent fasting. It involves fasting for 16 hours and then eating your meals within an 8-hour period, which is totaling the 24 hours of the day. Don't be afraid, it is very achievable. For example, you might choose to eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and then fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day. During this fasting period, you can still have water, coffee, or tea, but no calorie-containing foods. This method is great because it fits into most lifestyles. You are essentially skipping breakfast and having your first meal at lunch, which can feel very natural once you get used to it. The second method is the 5:2 method. This method is a bit different. Here you eat normally for 5 days of the week and then restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. These 2 days of reduced calorie intake will create a calorie deficit without the need for daily dieting. This method allows for more flexibility in your week and doesn't require daily fasting, which most people find easier to manage. There are other intermittent fasting methods like the Eat Stop Eat method, which involves a full 24-hour fast once or twice in a week, and the Warrior Diet, where you eat small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and have one large meal at night. Each method has its unique approach, and the best one for you depends on your lifestyle and how your body responds to fasting. So it is no one size fits all. Leave a comment below if you have any question or you want to share your intermittent fasting experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more professional nutrition tips and insights to living a healthy life.
This is Nutri Television, your professional source to everything nutrition.